Hello everyone, let's solve the problem Chef and Magical Steps of CodeChef Starters 16. Let's first understand the problem statement. In problem statement, we are given two integers x and y, where x is less than y. Like we are given two integers x and y, and x is less than y. Now we have to tell the minimum number of steps to reach from x to y. Here we can perform two operations. We can move from x to x plus 1, or we can move from x to x plus 2. We can perform this operation only when x plus 2 is a prime. So that is the problem statement. Now let's see some test cases for understanding it better. Let's see the example. In example 1, we are given x as 2 and y as 10. So we have to tell minimum number of ways. So here we can do something like this. From 2 we can go to 3. From 3 we can go to 5. From 5 we can go to 7. And then we will continue by doing one steps. One step here, one step here, one step here. In total we get 6 steps. So that's the answer here. Now let's see another example. This example 34 to 43. Here how we will be solving it. We can go from 34 to 35, from 35 to 36, from 36 to 37. But we can see that we can directly jump from 35 to 37, saving one step here. We save one step here. After that we can jump to 38, then 39, and then again directly we will jump to 41, and then we can again directly jump to 43. We save one step here, one step here. Now one thing we noticed that if we will if we will know if we will not do any jump to a prime, then we will get total answer as y minus x. But because we are having some primes in between, we can reduce that value. Now we can see that if the if the y is a prime, then we can reduce one jump. We can reduce one jump here. We can reduce one jump here. We can reduce one jump here. So we just need the count of number of primes between both of these numbers y and x. But let's see example 2 also. Let's see example 1 also. Here we can see that if 2 is a prime or 3 is a prime, then they are of no use because we cannot save anything by using this 2. We cannot save the number of jumps by using this 2 nor this 3. Let's see it in detail. Let's clean this board. Like 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. We have to go like this. We can see that if we are starting from 2, then we cannot save any jumps from it because we have nothing below it so that we can save jump from it. Same in 3. We can do a jump like this. We cannot save anything because there is nothing. So we cannot save jump below it. So we can see that we have to count the number of primes between 3 to 10. Like we have to remove this 3 also. we just need the count of numbers from, let's say this is x, this is x plus 1, and this is x plus 2, and this is y. So we just need the count of number of primes from x plus 2 to y, because if we are having, if we are having prime here, then we can save a step just below it, and if we are having a prime here, then we can then, then we can save a step just below it. But if we are having prime here, then we cannot save a step, because we have to make one jump. And if we are having prime here, then also we cannot save one step, because we have nothing below it. Now let's see the code part. In code part, we have to do some pre-computation, like the constant are quite high, up to 10 to power 7. So in log n time, we can run a sieve, we can run a prime sieve to mark all numbers from the range 0 to 27 as a prime or not. After marking that, we are just taking prefix sum. We are just taking prefix sum of the array. We get the here the array PRR is storing either a 0 or 1. If it is a 0, then it means that index is not a prime, and if it is 1, then it means that the index is a prime number. Now we have taken prefix sum, so that we can find the number of primes between two numbers. After doing pre-computation, we are taking input of test cases. We have taken input of x and y. We are subtracting PRR y minus PRR x plus 1. Why we are doing so? Like, this is PRR y, which is storing number of primes till y, and this is and this is PRR x plus 1, which is storing number of primes up to x plus 1. Now we need this range. So we are subtracting PRR y minus PRR x plus 1. This is the distance we get if we will not make any jump to prime. And primes is telling the number of primes we are having in this range. If we will subtract primes from it, then we will get the minimum distance or the minimum number of steps we need, because every prime is reducing a step by 1. That's it. Thanks for watching.